Hi class, welcome to my YouTube channel. And we're here with Ma'am Kate, being the evaluators. Okay, mag-evaluate me sa mga rooms. So, first room, first room. By the way, we're here at New Imbatug Elementary School. So, hilas kayo mag-evaluate. Magtanaw, ato tanawon ilang classroom kayo. Very nice kaayo siya. Kusog kayo maka-give C. So, first room is by Ma'am Marlene B. Pagad. So, atong tanawon iyang room. So, let's go inside. Let's go. So, yeah. Mag-evaluate me. Kawan ako si... Mag-evaluate. Kawan ako si Ma'am Kate, ang supervisor sa Mindanao. Yes.
Oh, supervisor.
Supervisor. Di ko awag ay class. Grabe ka, nice iyang classroom. So, worth it.
At the front.
Worth it. Sa gid kayo pas sa gastuan sa gid mo imong classroom. So,
look at the table. It's very...
Yeah. So, the next classroom atong atuan is owned by Ma'am Melba Tadley. So, Ma'am Melba Tadley is handling grades 1 and 2. So, muna siya yung classroom class. So, this is her classroom. So, Ma'am Melba Tadley is from Kalipayan. So, bago siya nakatransfer din sa New Imbatug. But look at her classroom, di ba? So, makita, makawagi ka, makawagi nga ga-effort gid si teacher, at imang gid si teacher sa iyang room. Nice kaayo ilang mga standards sa ilang classroom kay. Yes, so next classroom class is asa ta sunod? School office with Sir Maki, their school head. Salud me, sir. Glag. And this is Ma'am Nining.
Hello.
This is their school office. And Sunod nga classroom is... Oh, na sila TV class. Sige, dako kailang TV class. Oh. Sana all. Sunod dahil, ganito nga. Grades. Saan may guard? Wala, may tao. Sige, sabaan tao. So, this is grade... Can I see? Grade 4 of Ma'am Marie Chris. Kato si Ma'am Marie Chris. Ito muni ang room. So, look at this one. Mga nice ka ilang room bay. Mga chada ka ilang room class. So, sunod. At ito dito unahan. Kaya napay duha ka classroom. So, nice ka ilang mga classroom. Din sa yung Imbatug. So, pangit ang panahon, ulan-ulan. So, this is the sirado man. Sirado siya, ambot kin sa mga room. Daw sa lang nipikas. Ayo! Mag-video ko. This is Sir Dodong Cotar's classroom. Okay ka, sir, So, ako okay. Oh, wow, nice ka ilang mga room dan, diba? Yes. Look at that. Ta-da! Sa awa gani ang ulan, sa kay dili ka cooperate ang panahon. So, it's raining outside. Sapa. So, namin karon din because we're doing a lock session. Nag-lock session ni class, and since break time pa naman unang nakag-vlog ko. So, this is one of the I would say one of the nicest schools in Impasugong District. So, yeah. So here at Bukidnon Bulls, transforming schools, breaking limits. So muna siyang balik ko dani. So, this class mo na ilang school ground. Nice ka ilang school, no? Yeah. So, balik ko class kayo. Magbalik pamiog. Lock session. So, unya. That's it, class. Thank you so much for watching. And, yeah. Thank you so much for watching, and for those who haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, JhonreyMediante page, your Maestrong Bisaya. Thank you so much. Have a great day, everyone. Keep safe.